Here we have a SAT math question on exponential equation. Okay, let's go with the question. If 8 to the nth power times 4 to the second power equals to 2 to the 10th power, what is the value of n? Okay, so in the given equation, 8 to the nth power times 4 to the second power equals to 2 to the 10th power, we have to solve for n. So actually we have n at the exponent. So whenever we solve for a variable that is at exponent, so what we need to do is we have to get the same base on both sides. Once we get the same base on both sides of the equation, we can equate the exponents and we can solve for the variable. Here on the right side, we have base 2. So here when I look at the stuff on the left side, here we have 8, here we have 4. So both 8 and 4 are powers of 2. That is 8 can be written as 2 to the third power and 4 can be written as 2 to the second power. When I do so, I'll be getting base 2 on the left side. Then we'll have the same base 2 on both sides. Okay, let me do it. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this 8 as the power of 2, that is 2 to the third power. And already we have exponent n for 8, the same exponent should be taken over here. Times for this 4, we have to write 2 to the second power. And we have exponent 2 for 4, the same exponent should be taken over here. And equals to 2 to the 10th power. Okay, so let's consider the power of a power rule in exponent. That is, let's consider the base a and let's consider the exponent m for base a. And for this complete stuff, again, we have the exponent n. Okay, whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents, then a to the power m times n. Actually, this is a power of a power rule in exponents. Okay, here we have base 2 and exponent 3. And for the complete stuff, we have exponent n. So we can multiply the two exponents as we have seen over here. So 3 times n will be 3n. So 2 to the power 3n times 2 to the power, and the same thing we can multiply the two exponents over here. 2 times 2 will become 4 equals to 2 to the 10th power. Okay, here we multiply two terms with the same base. We can use the product rule of exponents, that is a to the mth power times a to the nth power equals to a to the power m positive n. Okay, here the same rule we can follow in this on the left side. So we have multiplication of two terms with the same base 2. So we can write the base once and we can add the exponents. So then we get 3n positive 4 equals to 2 to the 10th power. Here two terms are equal with the same base 2. So whenever two terms are equal with the same base 2, we can equate the exponents. That is 3n positive 4 equals to 10. Okay, now we can solve for n in this equation easily. So first let me subtract 4 from both sides. Then I'll be getting 3n equals to 10 negative 4 is 6. So let me write the equation over here. Now to solve for n, I have to get up this 3 multiplied over here. So for that I have to divide both sides by 3. So this 3 will cancel out. 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 6 twice. So I get n equals to 2. So the correct answer choice for this question is option A.